Now let's see how is alcohol made. Alcohol is produced by fermenting a natural source of sugar with yeast. As it ferments, the carbohydrates or the starches and sugars in the main source turn into carbon dioxide and ethyl alcohol, which is the base for all the alcoholic beverages. On the basis of this, we can now define fermentation. Fermentation is a biochemical process in which sugar is converted into ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide by the action of yeast. This process can easily be understood as follows. Now, this is the chemical representation of the entire fermentation process. On the left hand side, we can see sugar, which is denoted as C6H12O6, that is 6 carbons, 12 hydrogens and 6 oxygen. All these combine together to make a compound called sugar. When yeast is added to the sugar, we all know that yeast is a single cell living microorganism. Although it is a microorganism, but it is quite useful to us. Apart from alcohol, we use yeast in making of a lot of products, especially bakery products. One of the famous products is bread. Once the sugar and the yeast combines, they starts reacting and the fermentation starts. And as an end result, we get ethanol, which is represented as C2H5OH, that is 2 carbons, 5 hydrogens and a hydroxyl group, that is the OH group. Along with ethanol, carbon dioxide is also released during fermentation. Now, as we can see in the above pictorial depiction also, in the fermentation process we have in the center fire. Similarly, in the chemical representation, we have a triangle in the middle. Both these represents heat. The triangle represents heat, which means during the fermentation, heat is also released. Now, we can summarize this that fermentation is a biochemical process in which the sugar is converted into ethyl alcohol or ethanol and carbon dioxide by the action of yeast. The next topic is distillation. Although this topic is not related to winemaking, but yes, I do feel that you all should have a brief idea about this process, as this will help us in understanding the things in a better way. So, distillation is the process of separating alcohol from a water alcohol solution by using selective boiling and condensation. This process or this separation is possible because of the difference in the boiling points of these two liquids. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, whereas alcohol boils at 78 degrees. When we boil such a solution, alcohol starts vaporizing first, as it is having a low boiling point, which we can collect and condense to form again a liquid. This way, we can get concentrated alcohol at the other end, and this is how this method is used to increase the strength or the concentration of the alcoholic beverages.